When a thief kisses you, count your teeth. Emerson Mnangagwa is not just cunning, he is a ruthless butcher who thrives on betrayal. To the generals and brigades who have received cars from him, understand this: you are not being rewarded, you are being trapped. Savina mashoko tagwana titenda changambika sezvamuri kuona on the screen ari kuachikomenda pamusoro pe the move yoitwa nemutungamiri wenyika panguva ino achinodisha out the vehicles. Panguva ino achitaura mashoko ashamisa vanhu, panguva ino achiti aiwa, don't think kuti aiwa those gifts panguva ino were not just rewards. You were just being trapped. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Those vehicles are likely bugged, fitted with the trackers, and wired to expose your every move, who you talk to, where you meet, and when you travel. Mnangagwa and his cronies like Owen Mudanguve, July Moyo, and his Ugananda will know your business before you even make it. They can immobilize those guys at the push of a button, leaving you powerless. This is not generosity, it is surveillance, entrapment, and control. Look back. Every general who played a role in removing Mugabe has been eliminated, silenced, or now rest with the ancestors. Mnangagwa rewards loyalty with betrayal and buries those who outlive their usefulness. Be warned, today's gift is tomorrow's news. Domash kwantogo panguwa ino aiwa na changambika achita wakomana chejerai. Yes, mapuwa mota, you are happy, you are delighted, but panguwa ino mota idzodzo na uzokukostai. Mashoko arikuda panguwa ino arikukomendo achiudziwa these people were rewarded with vehicles. Butize mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.